Jazzy TJ, big up yourself. You know me, I come from prison still, bro. As you can see me there now. I guess soon, bro. Prison. I'm just coming from there. You see? No joke, bro. Them a try prison me, you see what me I say, dog? Yeah, man. Them a try get rid of me from England, dog. You see what me I say, bro? Yeah. They want me go back to Jamaica. Me and a fish, brother. I'm trying to sweep on my life, dog. Me and a fish, dog. Me and a fish, me jenna. I'm mark him all and inbox me. I'm a reply back to him. You see what I say? So I am not really a fish in a dog. You see what I say? Me a straight youth. Mark him all and inbox me. I'm inbox him back just like how Perry and Real Dog inbox them one another. Yeah. Just like how Perry and Real Dog inbox them one another, bro. Me is not a fish, dog. Yeah, dog. Me no fish up, dog. Me no fish up yaps. You mad? All this look like wood, so. Eh? All this look like wood, so. It look like wood, though. Some man who gets found in and get none. Let me tell you this, bro. Me is not a fish. Me a good youth, dog. A message to Shibada. A message to Shibada. Shibada, the Jamaica community highly respect you. You are a big actor. You can act in a movie. The Jamaica community respect you, Shibada. So I will never disrespect you, Shibada. So when they on live and I talk about this and that there, I will never disrespect you because I have highly respect for you. You are a veteran. You are a veteran of Jamaica. So the whole Jamaica community love you, Shibada. Yeah, the whole Jamaica community love you, Shibada. You are loved by the whole Jamaica community. So, I will never disrespect your community, Shibada, because I highly respect Shibada and community. Is it? But me tell you no, me is not a fish. I am not a fish, but I respect the fish them because you know why? The fish them do not trouble people. You not get none. Somebody there watch me thing. On a beg too much, on not get none. On a beggy too much. But they want to get sauce. Body. Paddy.
Damn. And sometimes some people just say things to get a rise out of people. So
What you say?
I'm talking about something that's going on over here in the United States.
Huh?
I'm talking about something that's going on over here in the United States.
What's been going on in the United States?
Oh, just what we, you know.
I know what. So everything is all good with you, though, bro.
Yeah.
You sure? Do you respect me?
No.
Why do you respect me?
No, I do. I respect. Respect is actually a big word. So I respect you because you're a man, but like respect you like no, the gloves to come off. It depends on where you going with this.
No, I mean, bro, I respect you, bro, and you see, you're a good guy though, but sometimes you behave like you're a.
And they not like letting people recharge.
They don't give.
So you be gifting yourself? Will you be winning?
I got 1 and 2 people that might shoot, but these people are not gonna shoot. But I'll see you though, bro.
All right.
Take care. Wanna watch my phone and I get none. None no dead. Blood clot do no. I so no hungry. Yeah. Alright, look. The type of house that I'm in is just come out of jail and drop yourself. Is what me I say? I just came out of jail and dropped here. What my wife did right about. Brother, listen to me. A man wears a fish, do not come out and come tell you say me a fish. The man where a fish himself come out and say Deverell is straight. So how you can believe that me straight? Oh, why? What me do? What me do? And how much time I tell you say me a entertainer, me a actor. Me a comedian. So why? Why now? Why now? No, alright, look. If he's a man and you can say love likes and sweets, what's wrong with that? Una go do me something for that? Because a man will love likes and sweet for him preference. For him preference. For him preference, eh? A man will love likes and sweets, for him preference. Him a fish. Brother, on too illiterate. Jamaican people mind too small, bro. Like, I was just sure I would. Bro, listen. The man, listen to me. 5-star big up. Why you not gonna call me a fish? Tell me. Why is it you don't sit down and call me a fish, bro? Cause me not see myself as fish up, dog. Me see myself just doing my thing, bro. So how me become a fish? Or me become a fish. Why Laura? Laura decline me call. I first never see Laura upon her life, I decline me. Everything good. She keep disconnecting me. I don't know what going on. She not accept me. She not accept me. She do her thing. Make she go and do her thing. Yeah, back to what me I say, bro. Man and a fish, bro. Me cannot be a fish, dog. A man never come out, come show you say you want him there, but a fish. A man never come out, come show you say you and him touch, or him be a fish. Or him be a fish. No man have me secret, bro. Bro, how me ever be a fish when the man have the vice? Laura, where are they? Laura. Where are they?
Nothing.
Why you look so sad? How go on? How go down? What go down?
How are you asking me that question?
Regardless, we love you here. Yeah, you hear me?